Good morning, how can I assist you today?
Hi. I'm checking in for my flight to London.
Great, may I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. And do you have any checked baggage?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Alright, I'll need to weigh it and tag it. Please place it on the scale over there.
Okay.
Your bag weighs 20 kilograms. That's within the allowed limit. Here's your baggage tag. Please attach it to your suitcase.
Okay, got it.
Now, may I see your boarding pass?
I don't have one yet.
No problem. Please give me your name and flight details.
My name is John Smith, and my flight is to London Heathrow on British Airways.
Alright, let me check. Yes, your flight is on time. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is C10 and your departure time is 11:30 a.m. Have a nice flight.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you for watching. I hope you find it helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.